Aloha everyone, Master Kwasha here. And today's topic, we're talking about our struggles, our challenges, our problems in life. Sometimes it's so much that we sometimes take us off balance. Our life become just off balance. Sometimes maybe there's a death in the family, maybe loss of loved ones, maybe loss of your pets, maybe you have lost your job, maybe you lost someone you care about, or maybe you just have so much financial problem, financial worry, or diseases, or illnesses, or some problems that shows up in your life. And do not be alarmed, because all the struggles and problems in our life is just part of our spiritual development. It's there to test us how we can evolve. So first, if there are so much problems and struggle in our life, just imagine, visualize a big ball in front of you. Anything that is related to stubbornness and just everything that you just have struggled with, and it's like for you it feels like it's so heavy to carry. So at once you just allow everything to pour it in this bowl, and then after you do that, you hold this bowl and say, God, here are all my struggles. It's so heavy, and it's such a heavy burden for me. Today, right now or today, I entrusted all these problems and struggles and all these issues I have in my life to you. I offer it to you. It is your will. It is up to you how you can help me with this. So by doing this, and you give God, you allow God to work through your life. You align yourself with who you are by surrendering to your Creator, because you are one with the Creator. You're one with God. So when you learn to surrender, the universe will see that you are truly aligning more and more of who you are. Because we are God's instrument to express in this world a different expression of God. So when we learn to allow God to work through our life, life become blossoming, full of pleasantness, experience, and full of joy. And I hope that this lesson, these words, will bring so much peace and solace in your life. It is such an honor to serve you. Mahalo.